Rona is ahead, way ahead.
The moral of the story is to prepare for the things that you want to do. On our way to the province because we're gonna spend New Year's there. Okay.
From the gumamela outside. Take off the outer layer of the skins and then we mash it like that. And then this one, it's gonna be sticky, no? It will become sticky. And then you put it in the skin and then you plaster it in the skin.
Okay, where'd you learn this?
Oh, this is from the olden times, from the ancient earth. This is from the garden of
Even?
Gladys. Yeah, it is. What is that? Clitoria. Yeah.
Like
From the word clitoris.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's try this. You just put this in the hot water.
it is like leaves. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Hey friends, good morning. Good morning! Okay, we're on our way to Eden. Woo! Yay!
Welcome to Davao City!
Yay!
Davao is not where we are going, but here we are now.
Okay, so we're now here in Eden Nature Park. Currently going to the fishing village because it drizzled a bit, so we can't do the other activities yet. And the tour is currently fully booked, so we're gonna eat first.
Okay, we are here in the fishing village in Eden Park. We have 3 options to select in
Okay.
ordering food. You can have a la carte. It's consumable. The good thing it's consumable. It's 400 pesos per person. They have fish, they have sinigang pork, shrimps. They have pancit noodles. Pancit is a noodles, right?
Yes. Wow! Learning.
Yeah, I learned that just now. And then they don't have seashells. That's the
No
sad thing. Yeah, no seashells. They have soft
No
drinks.
fresh juice.
No fresh juice.
Yeah, so sad. And it's nature. You're supposed to have fresh juice.
Yeah.
Probably. They have also the option you can fish your own fish. You know what I mean? You can fish your own fish.
Feed yourself. You can fish the food that you're going to eat.
Yes, if you're willing to wait, because you know fishing is
Patience.
yes.
How I grew my eyelashes this way. Naturally. First thing in the morning, upon waking up, you take 3 spoons of virgin coconut oil. And then every night before sleeping, you have to place it using your finger at the base of your eyelashes like this. And it says the vitamin B5 skin lotion. It smells so good. It has vitamin B5. What is good vitamin
for the
B5? I
skin
think
and
it's
also for the
thiamine.
hair.
Don't. Because, okay. And then it's so dry. Because, you know, from my work,
Okay.
I'm very hard-working person. Okay, you see the effect? It's so soothing and it's so smooth. It has become like 5 years younger.
So we're done eating. What is your expert opinion?
The food is good,
Okay.
fine.
Uh-huh.
And the weather is good, fine.
Good find.
Cold.
So the fishing village is pretty far from the Sky Adventure part of Eden. We took the car kasi tamad kami maglakad. Pero medyo malayo talaga. Hopefully na-digest na namin lahat ng kinain namin kasi medyo malala yung gagawin. Are you nervous?
Yeah, but I'm kind of excited.
Okay. We got this. No one just has to vomit. The sky swing. It's like a huge swing and you get slowly with suspense. They pull you up into the air and then they just let you go like that. Tas mahulog ka na lang. So good luck. Then after that, we're gonna do the sky wheel.
Yes, so let's zoom it a bit. As you can see, it's like the Davao Gulf at the back. Go girls! Yeah. Yeah. Yes. That's it. Wow. Wow, man. Wow! My gulay! Woo! Yeah! How'd you feel, man?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
With the F.
Ba't ikaw yung parang na-nervous?
Hindi, I was like, baka mali ang pagkuha ko ng video. The plant is so close to them. It's okay.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for the support.
Congratulations, girls!
Yay!
YOLO! YOLO!
I can feel my arms. I'm kinda dizzy, but it was an experience. Would you do it again?
They made it so high. Like
I know.
I could see the thing, like the bar thing.
I could see the sun.
It's like, this is not right.
Lee and Ali are going with to the sky wheel with cousin DJ and Tita Donna there. The structure to start so they can do the sky wheel. Jaster! That's DJ up there! Woo! Go DJ! There's Yanni! Oh. And Ali! Yay! And Tita Donna! My gosh! So they are in the sky wheel now. And they are just like wheeling up there in the sky. Yeah. So Tita Donna is lagging behind. And I think it's going to be, this is so hard to do. It's like going up the stairs or going up an incline because it's up to the person to move the wheel forward. Yeah. So that's what. Good luck with that, guys. So see you in 10 hours. How was it?
Okay.
I am so sweaty. Oh my god, water.
How was it, Tita Dons?
So challenging.
So challenging.
So extreme.
Extreme sports.
Nahulog lahat ng mga pinikmata mo. No, extreme. But I bring my phone with me and it didn't fall.
Yeah, because she left it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ganito. The first step is always the scariest one. It feels like you're floating on air. So I'm still shaking a bit. Because it's hard to start it. It's hard to move forward. Because it feels like you are walking on nothing. Because your soul is up there with Jesus or something. So it was a good experience. This is the first time I really felt fear. So the thing is, the difference with this and a zip line, I've done a zip line and now I did this. It's in your own will if you want to live. So you have to keep on stepping and stepping and stepping until you get there. And the thing is, you have to step in a straight line or else it wobbles like my sister.
Sorry.
And the thing is, as the older sister, I had to keep on consoling her, telling her it's gonna be fine when I need moral support too. I'm checking my pants to see if I peed. I didn't pee. Congrats to me. I think that's the biggest achievement for today. I did not poo. I did not pee in my pants. I'm still alive.
I'm sweating in my back. It's insane, diba? Insane.
So I guess everyone has to wear sports attire when they come here because you don't know how much fear you sweat.
That's why I'm wearing this one because I thought I will take the ride.
She wore sports attire but she didn't ride anything. The moral of the story is to prepare for the things that you want to do. Because this was something that we just scheduled yesterday. And you were like, oh, let's go to Eden. And everyone was like, okay, game. Tapos biglang, di namin alam na ganito. Whew. I was praying our Father actually.
Ako yung nahuli pagpunta doon.
Guys, nag-active yung pimples ko. Kasi natatakot din siya.
Oh, ano
Hindi na ba kapag mag-try ako ng slingshot, alam mo
Conquer your fear.
Ha? Alam mo yung fear ko doon sa slingshot? Baka magsabay ihi.
Same.
Okay, magsabay ihi. Pwede ba kayo mas-slide sa seat?
Mas-slide.
No?
Kaya may harness at dapat naka-lean back.
Tapos, pero even if you slide back sa doon, there is a harness in front of you.
Yeah, but your legs will be exposed, so you just need to
But the ones holding your thighs, are they painful?
Hindi. Kasi naka-pants. So,
Yeah, what about yung
Shorts.
Shorts masakit, diba? It's not advisable. So, is there a part that is like painful during the slingshot?
Yeah, my heart.
No, when they release the
Wala.
rope,
You feel nothing.
Parang
jerk,
na-jerk ka.
Was it painful?
Hindi naman.
You
Kasi
feel
that's
no.
the scariest part.
Yeah, yung na-jerk. So, death-defying activities once a year. It's good for your heart. Yeah.
Yes, and your soul.
Try the
You can feel
skydiving.
your soul.
Oh my God, skydiving!
No, I'm gonna die.
Na-try mo na, tita?
Yes. In my dreams.